So how to add multiple bank accounts on KashFlow? On left hand side there is a bank section, click on bank and add a new account. We need to click on right hand side, very last button on your header section, add new account. And for example, my bank account is Lloyd's TSB, account code there, icon, let's check if we have Lloyd's, yes. If I have opening balance on bank account, I will say that I have 500 there, and we'll start from 1st of April, and payment method for sales invoices is bank transfers, and purchase invoices I will select other, and I can set this bank account as a default account. So if this is my main bank account, I can set that this is defaulted account everywhere where I will try to post payments and etc. And once you're happy, click on save. So we have added one bank account, but for example I have another one and it's like TransferWise account, so I can add a new. I don't think so they have TransferWise, it's Metro Bank. Okay, I will select none, and reconciliation date is the 1st of April, bank transfers and other, and click save. So now I have Lloyd's Bank, I've got main bank account, and then I have TransferWise bank account. This is the way how you can add a new bank account to your KashFlow accounting software.